Hey guys, welcome back into Bangla IT, and in this video I'll show you that how you can simply add customized font in Unreal Engine. So I'm using the Google fonts. You can search Google fonts and there's, as you can see, lots of very cool fonts, but in my case I said the language in Bangla because I like Bangla language. Then I will be select this kind of like there's lots of, so I will be select one. Then you need to click style, okay, add this style, then click on download all. So they give you a zip folder of your fonts, so then you need to extract that fonts or the zips into your PC however you want to save. Okay, so one is done. As you can see, here's the fonts. As you can see, there's some, you can find the preview. Okay, so now let's open our Unreal Engine and then let's create a simple folder. So I already create a UI and add a two tags in my UI and create another folder and add the fonts, and just select where you saved your font or you extract your fonts. Just go there and you can, if you want, you can select by one or you can select all. Okay, then click on open, then it will be show you like this. You just click on yes all, and here as you can see your all fonts come in now Unreal Engine. Okay, so you can use them. How? Just go in your UI or your widget, add a text view, and at the text view you find that font, click on the advanced. Okay, once you click advanced, you can, as you can see, you can select the font style. So as you can see, which one you add the customized font, you can select them anything. Okay, so like as you can see, I add lots of fonts style, and yeah, also it support the Bangla language or any kind of language if you add that language font. Okay, like if I write now in Bangla language, it will be write the Bangla language in Unreal Engine text. So that was so much cool. Okay, so if you have also your custom fonts or if you want to add from internet, so you can add by this way. So I just hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Go to Bangla IT. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all, and bye bye, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.